I was that kid that kind of took things apart as soon as you got them and tried to put them back together just to see how they worked. You name it, I took it apart. I've always had an interest in the bridges. They're really neat structures to me.
If you ignore the maintenance program on a bridge and cannot safely accommodate the traffic, then you have to close the bridge. Buying a new bridge is very expensive. We like to avoid that and maintain them.
I mean, this is a project for the generations. This will extend the life of this bridge for 75 years at least, and maybe more. We have a situation where there's corrosion happening underneath the deck, and eventually it will actually break free. So now's the time for us to get in there and repair it.
This bridge needs to be open each and every day, and so contractors working diligently, our staff are working diligently.
If it was easy, this wouldn't be only the second time in the world that this has been done. If we started to talk about the obstacles, it would be like running an obstacle race every day. Wind speeds here tend to be higher.
If a snowstorm sneaks up on us,
Rain tends to come in sideways, not vertically. It really is a bit of a scheduling nightmare, as if the project wasn't complicated enough already. There are a total of 46 segments. It's kind of like a set of Lego blocks. Unfortunately, it's not as simple because our Lego blocks weigh 120 tons each. To think that you're going to have a gap in this bridge where the only thing that spans it is those two orange cables, and you're going to have that reconnected, that's amazing.
to have all of that happen and to be open for traffic in the morning is pretty incredible. To date, this project has caused delays, and we're not happy with that. We're working very diligently to make sure that we reopen each and every morning on time.